Okay, Lacy, I'm really curious. What made you start doing this?
How the Lacy Hair Foundation came about came from my own personal health journey. 8 years ago now, one morning I woke up and the whole left side of my face was really paralyzed. When I went into the ER, they found that I had a brain tumor that had a 10% survival rate. They said, you need to have brain surgery, but it's too risky, I'm too young. It was Christmas time. I was like, oh, if this would be my last Christmas with my kids, I would rather wait. But because we chose not to do the brain surgery, they still needed me to start treatments right away. And almost instantly, I started losing my hair. I owned an extension brand. I have an extension company. I knew that I would be okay. And all the women that were around me also getting infusion treatments, they all expressed, oh my gosh, I want to get some of those.
In comes the doctor and he's like, how long have you had this spot? Well, I found it like a month ago. Definitely found out I had breast cancer. I first heard about the Lacy Hair Foundation from my friend's mom that does hair, and she went to the gala last year, and she immediately called me that same night and was like, I have the best thing for you. I think it's such a great foundation, and I'm honored to be a part of it.
It hit me that this is what I want to do, and I want to help more people. I'm one of the lucky ones. It was just a brain tumor diagnosis and scare, and the brain tumor actually was multiple sclerosis.
I am currently cancer-free of like 8.5 months. I was so excited to get my wig done. I was jumping up for joy. The lace one was very, very high quality, and I could put heat on it and wouldn't be like ruined.
Fast forward, my business has been able to grow, and we've been able to now help hundreds of women through the Lacy Hair Foundation. Something that's unique to the Lacy Hair Foundation is wigs and wig toppers.
And we met with the doctors. They were like, oh, you have alopecia areata. I was like 6 years old, didn't really need to understand it at that point, so I was wearing my synthetic wig. You feel more confident and you feel more like yourself.
The impact that I've seen for these women that are in the thick of their chemotherapy or their alopecia, it has been so amazing to see someone put that wig on, and you can just see their faces radiating with confidence because of all of the amazing donations that we've gotten from the gala and people donating online, and it's been really incredible. Hi, I'm Lacy, founder and CEO of Lacy Hair Extensions and the Lacy Hair Foundation. I would love to have you join me for our 3rd annual Hair for Hope Gala on March 8th in Salt Lake City.